Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to create animated video using AI. Animated videos are a great way to engage your audience and make your content more interesting. With the help of AI, you can create high quality animated videos without the need for any technical skill or expensive software. So let's get started. The first step is creating an animated video with AI is to choose an AI powered video creation platform. Some of the popular platforms include Animaker, Beyond and Photon and also did. Each of these platforms offer different features, so it's important to choose one that meets your specific needs. And the next step is choose a template or create your own. Once you have chosen your video creation platform, the next step is choose the template or create your own. Now I'm going to show you how to make your content more interesting. Let's be started. So what I'm gonna do, the first step is I'm gonna use the character, because character is the most important tools for your video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the website, it's called Lexica. So here I'm going to use the character with the Lexa's website. When I click over there and hit on the Lexa, and you can choose the character from here. Like if I say cartoon, let me choose this one. So click on that, then just go to the download, and the next step is I will do the remove background. So here you can see there the background, so I'm using the background remover. Background remover you can find from the online. Just I'm using the remove background from image for free, then upload there, and using this one, if I chose, then hit on that. Now you can see here is the character, and you can choose the background color whatever you want for your video. Let me choose one of them, and I'm using this background for my video. Okay, then go to the download it. I will be use this one for my video. Okay, let me create a video. So how can I do that? I click on the did. When I click on did.com, you can find in the top, you can see the choose for AI generated video creation platform. So when I click over here, so it's come up like this. Let me click on that. I didn't log in here. So when I click over the create free AI videos, so it's asked you to for a account. When you do the create video, so it asks you to for the images or character. Here you can see nothing in the here, like no images. So you can find here few characters if you want to use, so you can use from here, but I'm gonna use the cartoon one. So let me hit on the add. Then when I hit on the add, so it asks me to create or sign up or sign in for the website. So I do have already the account, so I click on the sign in. Let me hit on the sign in. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the create video. Hit on that. Now you can see here the few images, so I do have already the few images. So if I want to use from them, or I can use from them, but I'm gonna use the add a cartoon pictures or images for my characters. So select this one and open. Now you can see it's creating for my characters. I select this one, then you can use like type a script, or you can upload voice audio if you want. So let me use the upload voice. Here click on that and use the upload your own voice. Create more realistic videos by uploading your own voice. So hit on that. I'm going to use the animated audio for now. Here it is now creating the audio. Here when I click over here, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, so this script will come with this character. So let me do with the generate video. Click on that, and here you can see. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just hit on the generate, and it takes the several time for creating or generating your videos. Let me wait for it. Then it says we have successfully generated your video. Let me click on that and let me see it how it is done for my video. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to create animated videos using AI. Animated videos are a great way to engage your audience and make your content more interesting. With the okay, just for now I post it, and now you can just download it and it will come up as a video. So it's very easy and simple way just you can do. And the next way, you can just create the video and choose one of the character for your video. Let me choose one of them, like if I choose this one, and if I write the script here, let me write the script here. I type the script. It's about what I use my voice, so I can use the script for my creation. And you need to use the languages, which languages uses, like, and the next one you can choose the voices, like if you want to choose the Jenny and the Anna or Arya. So it's depend on the characters. If you are the female, so you need to use the female voice, and if you are the male, it's better to use the male voice. So you can use here and choose up one of them. Let me hit on the one of like Anna, and then next you can use the style, so you can choose of them. Let me click on that.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video,
So
we'll be
here
discussing
it's
how
coming
to
out the
create animated
voices.
videos.
Then let me do the generate the video and click on that and hit on the generate. It's generating your videos. So it successfully generated your video. Let me hit on the play and let's see how it's come.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to create animated videos using AI. Animated videos are a great way to engage your audience and make your content more interesting. With the help of AI, you can create high-quality animated videos without the need for any technical skills or expensive software. So, let's get started.
Okay, well done. We have created the video. Now you can just click on the download and it will be downloaded for you. So keep remember that when you create the AI video, so you have to choose an AI powered video creation platform. Then next step is choose a template or create your own. The next one is customize your video and add voiceover or music. Then next one is export and share your video for your professional work. So creating animated videos with AI has never been easier. With the help of AI powered video creation platform, you can create high quality animated videos without any technical skills or expensive software. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.